In this video, let us learn JDK and IntelliJ IDE setup. First, first step, download and install JDK now. So JDK for Windows. So for that purpose, just open the browser and search for download JDK for Windows. So click on the first link because we are downloading the JDK from Oracle website. It is the official website of JDK. So here current versions are 24, 21 and earlier versions are available. So now we can click on JDK 21 and currently we need to download for Windows because our machine is Windows, or you can download for, if your machine is Mac, you can download for Mac. Linux means you can download the Mac. Since our machine is Windows, we can select the Windows, and our machine is 64-bit machine, so that's the reason cross 64 installer we need to download it. So download this particular link, click on this particular link to download the JDK. So once after downloading the JDK, go to the download folder. So the downloaded file looks like in this way only. So this is the downloaded file. Now go to downloads folder, right click on the file and just open and start installing the JDK. So click on yes button. It start installing the JDK now. Click on next button and click on next. So it takes some time to install the JDK. So now the JDK has successfully installed. So click on close button. So once after installing the JDK, the next step we have to set up environment variables for JDK. We need to set up the environment variables for JDK. For that purpose, we need to perform setup step 1 and step 2. Step 1, create Java_home variable in system variables section. Step 2, edit path variable in system variable section. So these two configuration we need to do in order to set up the environment variable for JDK. So before that, once after installing the JDK, where exactly our JDK was available, go to program files in Java. Yes, JDK 21 is available. So it was JDK has installed in this particular folder path, program files Java JDK 21. So now we need to provide this particular path into our environment variables. So first step 1 we need to follow. In order to follow this step 1, first right click on this PC and click on properties, because we have to set up the environment variables. Click on advanced system settings and in system properties window click on environment variables. It has two sections, user variables and system variables. In system variable section, click on new button and create a variable name Java_home. What is the purpose we need to create the Java_home variable? The execution, the running of Maven, it means build tool and any servers, Tomcat servers or JBoss, any server, first they will check availability of Java_home variable. If this variable is available, they will start running. Otherwise, they won't run. So the availability of the JDK can be recognized by the build tool or servers based on the Java_home variable. And now we need to provide the path. Either you can provide the path or you can browse the path. So go here, this PC. So now we can select this PC and you can select program files, JDK, Java. So Java and again Java JDK 21. So you can able to browse it and you can select. Yes, we can create the Java underscore. Click on OK. It creates Java underscore home variable. So now you can select any one of the variable. Just press P. Okay, it provides it selected path variable. The path is the available variable. You should not create. Okay, at any point, please don't click on create. So don't click on new button, because since it is the existing variable, okay, it contains lot of information. So that is the reason click on edit button. Remember, always we should click on edit button. Here also I provided edit path variable. So that's the reason we should perform which one? Edit option. So now we can click on new button. Again you can browse, and you can browse the path now. This PC, and go to program files, Java, JDK 21 bin. We need to select including bin path. So the bin path we have selected. Either you can able to move up if it is required. Otherwise you can move down. So there, based on the move up and move down, you can able to change the the list item. These are the list items. Within the list item, the JDK item name, the JDK path, you can move for up or okay down. Just click on OK. Yes, we have configured the setting up of the which one? Environment variables. Okay, set up environment variable for JDK we have done perfectly. So once after done this particular one, open the command prompt and just type the command called javac to make sure whether we can able to access JDK irrespective of any drives or any folder. Yes, we can able to access. It was provided a systematic appropriate commands it was provided. Now we just click on exit. So now we have configured the JDK properly. So once after configuring the JDK, the next step we need to install the IntelliJ tool. So in order to install the IntelliJ tool, we need to go to official website. The official website of IntelliJ is jetbrains.com. So here you can click on developer tools. Here we have a IntelliJ IDE option is available. Click on download. So we should download the community edition. So currently it's showing ultimate edition. So just scroll down. Yes, here community edition is available, and Windows.exe file is available. So you no need to download Windows zip or ARM 64-bit edition. Now we need to download the which one? Windows.exe file. Click on download. It downloads the IntelliJ IDE. So it takes some time to download the IntelliJ IDE. Depending upon our internet speed, it takes time to download our IntelliJ. So another 20 or 25 seconds, it will finish the download of IntelliJ now. Yes, the download is completed. Once the download is completed, now we can go to download folder. There, the IntelliJ tool is available. So now go to download folder. So IntelliJ is available, and copy this particular file name. So this is the file we have downloaded. The second one, download and install IntelliJ IDE. This is the file we have downloaded. So once after downloaded this particular file, right click and install the IntelliJ. It takes some time. Yes, installation is started. Click on yes button. Okay, click on next button and click on next button. If you would like to create a desktop shortcut, yes, you can select this option. Otherwise, no need to select and install. It takes some time to install this particular software. It takes another few minutes to install the IntelliJ. Yes, another few seconds. Yes, the installation of IntelliJ has completed. Now, if you can click on finish button. So now we can open the IntelliJ now. Before opening the IntelliJ, first we need to create a project folder now, workspace now. So the workspace name is, go to new Java automation workspace. So this is the workspace we have created. So now we will open the next step. Third one, configure IntelliJ project and create a Java source file and execute it. So this is the option we can do it. Configure IntelliJ project. So we can create one simple Java project, we can create it. So now if you can open the IntelliJ now. Yes, we'll open the IntelliJ. So skip import. So now create a new project. So we need to provide the project name. The project name is any project name we can provide. Sample Java project. I just provided the name. We can provide demo Java project, demo project, test project, practice project, any name we can provide. Location. So we have created a workspace, Java automation workspace. The same name only we need to provide, Java automation workspace. So this is the name we are provided. We need to create a Java project. By default we have selected a Java, so we need to select the IntelliJ and JDK 21. It's pointing to JDK 21. Okay, and now click on create button to create the Java project. Yes, it takes some time to open the Java project. So currently it contains the dark theme. So currently it shows a dark theme only. So now we can change the theme as light. So go to file, settings. So the appearance, it shows as a dark. Instead of dark, we can select as a light and click on OK. So once after creating the Java project, we can close the main method, and next we need to create a package. So what is the name for the package we can provide means, currently our institute name is www.sgtestinginstitute.com. So while providing the package name, the domain name we need to provide dot organization name, that is SG testing, then project name. Currently we have created this particular project for practice purpose. For that purpose we can give practice or demo, anything you can just provide. This is the way we need to provide the project package name. So in our case we can provide the package name we need to create. So right click on src and click on package. We can provide the package name com.sgtesting. So I just provide a practice, or you can provide a programs, any name you can provide programs. Okay, next we have created a package name. Once after creating the package, we can create a source file. See the interesting thing here, a Java project can have n number of packages. A single package can have n number of source file. Java source file. Here I'm just giving the name called demo.java. So this is the class file you are creating. Once after creating the source file, okay, just psvm. So it creates which one? Public static void main. So I just provide s out. S out means system.out.println. So I'll just provide welcome to SG software testing. So this is the welcome statement we have written. So how we can able to execute this sample Java program? Right click on this particular file. There is an option called run. Yes, it is providing the output. Either you can right click on the source file, or you can right click on it here also. Right click it here. Here also you can able to get the same output. So in this video, so we'll refresh. So we are download and install the JDK we have done, and set up environment variable for JDK we have done, and download and install IntelliJ IDE we have done, and afterwards we have configured the IntelliJ project, and we have created a Java source file, and we have executed it, and we have created a package, and we have written a Java source file called demo.java, and we have executed. Okay, these many activities we have done in this particular video. Thank you.